Like we just did with the phone app, our contacts and lists can be utilized while we are in other apps. We can also add new contacts or add information to existing contacts from certain apps. We certainly won't cover all the possibilities in this lesson, but let's look at a few examples. From the phone app and the Recents tab, I have a number here that I have yet to assign to a contact. Tap and hold on it, and we can either add this number to an existing contact or create a new contact with this number. When adding this to an existing contact, I will need to select who I want to add this number to, and then I can assign a label for the new number. Next, on the iPhone home screen, swipe down for Spotlight Search. Begin entering the name of a contact, and they should be the top result. We can then quickly tap to call, message, or FaceTime that contact. Tap and hold on a result here, and we can select a certain number or address saved for a contact. In the Mail app, when composing a message, tap this Add Recipient button to bring up your contacts. Any contact that doesn't have an email address saved for them will be grayed out. Notice that we can access our lists here. Tap to add an address to the message. Within emails that we have received, tap on the sender to see their contact information. We could then create a new contact with this email address or add this address to an existing contact without needing to open the Contacts app. In this email from Lucas, we can see that he's already saved as a contact with a lot of details. But Siri has recognized that there is a new phone number in the body of the email. Tapping Update will add that number to Lucas's contact information. Or we could tap and hold on the number and choose Add to Contacts to apply it to a different existing contact or create a new contact from this number. In the calendar, when we create new events, we can add invitees to them. I'll make a lunch event for next week. Scroll down to Invitees, and we can begin entering the names of saved contacts. Or tap the Add button to access the contacts list. Then just tap to invite contacts to the event. In Maps, we can search for saved contacts to quickly show their address or get directions to it on the map. Notice we also have a Contacts button in the result here, so we can quickly view or edit all the contact details from here in the Maps app. So, once contacts are added, they can be accessed and utilized from several different apps in iOS. Having this contact information saved accurately can save a lot of time in the long run.